Hi there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this amazing honey cinnamon butter bread. This bread makes the best French toast recipe. Let's get right into it. I highly recommend you use stand mixer if you have it. I've added my flour, my salt, and then my honey. There is no sugar in this recipe. I'll come in with my cinnamon and my active dry yeast. I'll make sure to list the detailed ingredients in my description. I'll add in my eggs and then we'll mix. Whilst that is mixing, I'll go ahead and pour in my non-dairy milk. This milk is non-dairy, so you can use your almond milk, your soy milk, or your preferred dairy milk. Okay, so any type of milk works for this recipe. I'll add in my butter. This is salted butter, and then we'll mix this until the butter combines very well with the dough. After that, we'll knead this for a good 15 minutes. You can as well use your hands to knead this if you don't have a stand mixer. And now with the stand mixer, please make sure to give it a 5 minutes break in between. We'll be kneading this for a good 15 minutes with the stand mixer. You don't want to overheat the stand mixer. So after 15 minutes, my dough is nicely kneaded, and then we'll take it over to the mat. If today is your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so that you can be part of this family. I'll transfer the dough onto the mat, knead it for a minute, and then I'll divide the dough into two. You can as well allow the dough to rest for 15 to 20 minutes before dividing it. So at this point, I'm dividing it into two, and then I'm going to use a rolling pin to roll it out. It is necessary to roll out your dough, guys. And after rolling out the dough, I went ahead to roll it into a log. You can always shape the dough in any type of shape you prefer. So after rolling it into a log, I make sure to pinch the ends, okay? It is necessary to do that. And then I'll divide the dough into 6 to 7 pieces. So I'm just cutting the dough into small pieces. You can leave it whole if that's what you want. We'll spray our baking pan and then I'll transfer my dough into the pan. And I repeated the same step for the other half. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. Thank you for sharing my videos on your various platforms. God bless you. Kindly leave your comment as you do always. You can as well follow me on all social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube Shorts. Thank you. I sprayed my aluminum foil. I covered it and allowed it to sit in a very warm place until it doubled in size. The rising of the dough would also depend on how warm your kitchen is. You can also leave it in your oven with hot water sitting inside the oven. Whilst the dough was rising, I went ahead to prep my egg wash. So this is egg white with honey. Remember, we are making honey cinnamon bread. Once the dough had doubled in size, which took about an hour and 20 minutes or an hour and a half, I went ahead to brush the top of the dough with my egg wash. Please don't skip this step. And then we'll sprinkle some cinnamon on top of the dough. Remember, we are making honey cinnamon bread. No sugar added. If you're still watching at this point, thank you so much. God bless you. So we'll be baking the bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Guys, I highly recommend that you put a pan of water in the oven along with your dough. This water creates a moisturized environment in the oven for the bread, and it prevents the bread from drying out quickly. So after 25 to 30 minutes, guys, we have our perfect honey cinnamon butter bread. And of course, I'm gonna brush some more butter on top of my bread. And this bread makes the best French toast. I will be sharing that with you guys very soon. I made this when the kids were home and they all came downstairs to wait until I was done with the video. So I allowed it to cool down for a few minutes, and then with a few smack, The bread came out very easily out of the pan, and we were super excited because the whole house was smelling like cinnamon. You know that smell. Yes, this is the perfect no sugar honey cinnamon butter bread recipe that you can ever find. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And it makes the best French toast recipe. Now look at the inside. Oh my, oh my. My kids just couldn't wait for me to finish the video. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.